Good morning, students. So, by the way, I am your teacher, Willie C. Castellano, a third-year Bachelor of Physical Education in Jose Memorial State University. In this morning class, we're gonna tackle about the impact of cigarette smoking in the family, in the family, community, and also in the environment. And also, class we're gonna tackle about the disease that we can get in cigarette smoking, not just like in mainstream, but also in second-hand smoke and third-hand smoke. So, okay, class, we're gonna proceed the proper discussion in this morning. So, in this morning class we're gonna tackle about the negative impact of cigarette smoking. So, what is cigarette smoking, class? Cigarette smoking is the inhalation of the smoke of burnt tobacco that may occur occasionally and habitually as a consequence of a physical addiction to some chemicals, primarily nicotine. Here are the short-term effects of cigarette in different parts of the body. First is brain. Nicotine in cigarette can increase alertness and concentration temporarily. Second is heart. Smoking causes a rapid increase in heart rate and blood pressure. Third class is in lungs. Irritation and inflammation occur in the airways, leading to coughing, shortness of breath. And the fourth is in the skin. Reduced blood flow to the skin can result in a pale or grayish complexion. Digestive system. Smoking can decrease appetite and affect taste sensation, and also in the muscles. Nicotine can cause muscle tension and twitching. Can also, class, it can affect in the eyes, because blood vessels in the eyes constrict, leading to reduced night vision and eye irritation, and also in mouth and throat. Smoking can cause bad breath, stained teeth, and sore throat. So here are the long-term effect of cigarette smoking in different parts of our body. Also, class, in lungs, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD, emphysema, chronic bronchitis, and lung cancer are common. Also in heart, it increases risk of heart disease, stroke, and peripheral cancer. Apart from lung cancer, smoking increases the risk of cancer in the mouth, throat, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, liver, colon, rectum, and bladder. And also, class, it affects in respiratory system. Continued to smoking damages lung tissue, leading to function decrease lung functions and respiratory issues. And also, class, in the immune system. Weakened immune system response, leading to increased susceptibility to infections. In reproductive system, class, reduced fertility in both men and women, erectile dysfunction in men, complication during pregnancy, and increased raised birth defects. And also in skin, premature aging, wrinkles, and increased risk of skin cancer. And also, class, in bones, increased risk of osteoporosis and bone fractures. And also in mouth and throat, gum disease, tooth loss, oral cancers, and in blood vessels. Osteosclerosis, hardening the narrowing of arteries, leading to heart attacks and strokes. Have you wondered, class, how cigarette smoking can harm in your body? Or only people who smoke have a negative effect? How about the people who inhale the smoke of cigarettes? So in this morning class we're gonna tackle and we're gonna answer that questions. We have a mainstream, and also the second-hand smoke, and also the third-hand smoke. So we're gonna discuss those three types of negative effect and smoking. Okay, class, so what is mainstream smoke? So mainstream smoke, or MSM, is the smoke that a smoker inhales and then exhale into the surrounding environment. So class is, have you ever wondered how dangerous the mainstream smoke? Okay, so mainstream smoke, the smoke inhaled by a smoker contains over 7,000 chemicals, many of which are harmful. Constant exposure to mainstream smoke can lead to various health issues such as lung cancer, heart disease, respiratory infection, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD. The chemicals in mainstream can damage the cells in the lungs and other organs, leading to inflammation, reduced lung function, and increased risk of developing serious disease over time. What is second-hand smoke? There is no level of exposure to second-hand smoke. People who do not smoke who are exposed to second-hand smoke even for a short time. How dangerous is second-hand smoke? Can suffer harmful health effects in adults who do not smoke. Second-hand smoke exposure can cause coronary heart disease, stroke, lung cancer, and other diseases. Second-hand smoke exposure occurs when people breathe in smoke breathed out by people who smoke or from burning tobacco products. In adults who do not smoke, second-hand smoke exposure can cause coronary heart disease, stroke, lung cancer, and other diseases. Children are particularly vulnerable to the effects of second-hand smoke, as it can cause sudden infant death syndrome or CIDS, respiratory infection, air infections, and impaired lung function. Pregnant women exposed to second-hand smoke are also at risk of complications, such as low birth weights and premature birth. Overall, second-hand smoke poses a serious health risk to both adults and children, even if they don't smoke themselves. Second-hand smoke exposure can lead to a range of diseases and health problems. Some of the most significant ones include chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD. Exposure to second-hand smoke is a risk factor for developing COPD, which include conditions such as chronic bronchitis and emphysema. Asthma. Second-hand smoke can trigger asthma attacks and worsen symptoms in individuals with asthma. And also in respiratory infections. Breathing in second-hand smoke can irritate the airways and weaken the immune system, making individuals are susceptible to respiratory infection such as bronchitis and pneumonia. And also in heart disease. Second-hand smoke exposure is linked to an increased risk of heart disease, including coronary artery disease, heart attacks, and strokes. And also in lung cancer. Exposure to second-hand smoke increases the risk of lung cancer. Similar to smoking itself, carcinogens in the smoke can damage lung cells, leading to the development of cancer over time. The danger of third-hand smoke. So, what is third-hand smoke? Third-hand smoke refers to the residue left behind on surfaces and in dust after tobacco smoke has cleared. It can linger for days, weeks, or even months, posing potential health risks, especially to children and non-smokers. The negative effects of third-hand smoke are the following. First is DNA damage. Third-hand smoke contains toxic compounds that can interact with DNA, leading to mutations and other form of damage. Second is lung cancer. There is evidence suggesting that exposure to the chemicals found in third-hand smoke may contribute to the development of lung cancer. Air infections. The third is air infections. Children exposed to the third-hand smoke may have a higher likelihood of developing air infections. And the last is respiratory illnesses. Exposure to third-hand smoke has been linked to an increased risk of respiratory problems such as asthma, exacerbations, bronchitis, and respiratory infections. What are the impact of cigarette smoking on the family? First is the health impact. Smoking not only affects the health of the smoker, but also of those exposed to secondhand smoke, including family members. Secondhand smoke can lead to respiratory issue, asthma, and other health problems, particularly in children and non-smoking family members. And second is in financial impact. Smoking can strain family finances due to the cost of cigarettes and potential healthcare expenses. Related to smoking-related illnesses, this can put pressure on the family's budget and limit resources for other needs. And third is emotional impact. Family members may experience stress, worry, and anxiety over the smoker's health and well-being. They may also feel frustration or resentment if the smoker's habit interferes with family activities or priorities. And the fourth is role modeling impact. Children of smokers are more likely to become smokers themselves, perpetuating the cycle of addiction and its associated health risks. Parents who smoke may be inadvertently model this behavior to their children, normalizing smoking as a coping mechanism or social activity. Relationship impact. Smoking can create tension and conflict within the family, especially if non-smoking members disapprove of the habit or if the smoker is unable or unwilling to quit despite the negative impact on the family. Overall, the impact of cigarettes smoking on a family can be far-reaching, affecting physical health, emotional well-being, financial stability, and familial relationship. The impact of cigarette smoking on the environment. First is air pollution. Smoking releases harmful chemicals like carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and volatile organic compounds into the air, contributing to air pollution and harming both human health and environment. Next is litter. Cigarette butts are the most commonly littered item globally, contributing to pollution of beaches, streets, and waterways. They can take years to degrade and leach toxins into the soil and water. Next is wildfires. Cigarettes, when improperly discarded or not extinguished properly, can start wildfires, especially in dry, windy conditions. These fires can devastate ecosystems and wildlife habitat. And next is water pollution. Cigarette filters are made of cellulose acetate, a type of plastic that can take decades to break down in the environment. When discarded improperly, they can contaminate water sources, posing to threat to aquatic life. Deforestation. Tobacco farming requires significant amount of land, leading for deforestation and habitat. Additionally, curing tobacco leaves often involve burning wood, contributing to deforestation and carbon emissions. The impact of cigarette smoking on the community. We have here the healthcare costs. Smoking-related illnesses impose a significant burden on healthcare systems, leading to higher costs for both individuals and society. Next is lost productivity. Smoking-related illnesses can lead to missed workdays and decreased productivity, affecting both an workforce and the economy. And next is environmental pollution. Cigarette butts are a major source of litter and can contribute to environmental pollution, affecting the cleanliness and aesthetics of communities. And the next is second, smoke exposure. Non-smokers, including children and pets, can be exposed to harmful secondhand smoke, increasing the risk of health problems. Next is fire hazards. Improperly discarded cigarettes can cause fires, endangering lives and property within communities. And next is social cost. Smoking can contribute to social divides and stigmatization, impacting social cohesion within communities.